So now that we have this perfect platter created by Laura, we need to find some wines to match with it. And obviously sparkling is a great go-to when you've got friends and family visiting, but I've got a few other options here that are always handy to have available that are quite sort of wines that you can drink at any time, and generally most people will enjoy them as well. So first is our Pinot Gris. So this is a 2024. So lovely lifted aromatics, easy drinking. It goes with pretty much everything on this platter. So I call this my anytime wine and anyone wine. So everybody loves it and you can drink it at any time. So I highly recommend having a few bottles of Pinot Gris in the fridge for when someone comes and visits. Next, we have rosé. Obviously, summer and rosé go together like Pinot Noir and Duck. So, highly recommend having some rosé for those people that drop in. This is a Pinot rosé, so you get those lovely sort of strawberry characters. Goes really well with the salamis and the strawberries and the grapes on the platter, and just a really nice summery looking drink as well. And then for those that would prefer to have a red wine, I'd recommend our Protégé Pinot, particularly if you're just having something in the afternoon. It's a lighter of our styles of Pinot, goes really well with all of the cheeses and will also match with the fruits on the plate as well. So just a nice lighter style, more easy drinking Pinot to enjoy with friends as well. So I hope you have a great, entertaining, festive season this year and enjoy some wines with it. Cheers.